Very good evening, my dear students. We are going to see these real numbers in exercise 1.1. So first question is, using Euclid's division algorithm to find the HCF of. HCF means what? Highest common factor of 135 and 225. So already I have explained the concept. What do you mean by about Euclid's division algorithm? That is, until the remainder 0 comes, what would be the divisor? That is the answer between these two things. Correct? Correct? So, in this case, 135 and 225 they have given. So, which one is the greater number? Which one is the greatest number? Since 225 is greater than 135. Okay? Since 225 is greater than 135, we apply division lemma algorithm. Division lemma algorithm. So in this division lemma algorithm, 225 and 125, how we are going to put it? Since 225 is greater than 135, we apply the division lemma for both for 225 and 135 to obtain how 225 equal to what is the number? 135. Correct? So now how we are going to make remainder as 0? For that, how we are going to do? 225 divided by 135. How much it will come? Because Euclid's division algorithm. So we need to apply with the division also. Tell me. 2 into 135, 270 is coming. So 1 into 135. 5 minus 5? 0. 2. 12. 12 minus 3? 9. 1. 1 minus 1? 0. So 1 into 135. 135 into 1. Plus remainder is what? 90. Correct? Have you got it or not? If you are having doubt, means you please ask me. So it is in the form of which formula? Euclid's division algorithm, BQ plus R. R means it is a remainder. Okay? Q means quotient. So quotient is 1. So 1 is there. Remainder is 90. Correct? Have you got it or not?
Yes.
Okay. Now, by this remainder, we are going to do with the next step. Since remainder 90 is not equal to 0. Remainder 90 is not equal to 0. So, we apply division lemma algorithm for which one? 90 and 135 to obtain. Okay? Because 225 already from by the 225 we have done. So with this remainder is equal to 0, because until 0 we need to find out the answer. That is what the strategy of this Euclid's division algorithm. So 225, for this 225 we have found out this one. Next thing is, with this remainder and this B 135 we need to do. So which one is greater? 135 is greater than 90. So 135 equal to 90 into which number it will come? 1. Plus which number it will come remainder? 135 divided by how much? 90. You said 1. 1 into 90? 90. 5 minus 0? 5. 13 minus 9? How much? Tell me. 13 minus 9 is how much? Little bit louder.
4.
4. Okay. So 45. Have you understood by this? Next, since remainder 45 is not equal to 0, so we apply division lemma algorithm for which number we need to put it? Here we did 90 and 135. Here which number we need to put? 45 and 90. Any doubt? 45 and 90. Since 45, 90 is greater than 45. So 90 equal to what? 90 equal to what? How much it will come? This 45 we need to write it. 45 into 45 into how much it will come? See here. 90 divided by 45. How much it will come? 2 into 45? 90. 90 so 2 plus which remainder is what? 90 minus 90. Remainder is what? Remainder is what, Pa? Ram? Tell me. 0. So now we have received the number 0. Correct? Remainder comes as 0. Our target is what? As per Euclid's division algorithm, we need to find the HCF. We need to find the HCF. So HCF, what is the rules? What is the rule of Euclid's division algorithm? When the remainder comes 0, what would be the divisor? Which would be the divisor? Which would be the divisor, Pa? 45. Because this 2 we are multiplying it. This is the quotient. This is quotient, right? Quotient. This is remainder. So this is quotient. This is divisor. So the HCF of 135 and 225 is what? 45. Okay? Have you got it? 45. The next one. As per this problem, we are going to see the same model, we are going to do it. Okay? Since 38,220 greater than 196, we apply which algorithm? Division lemma algorithm. For which one? 196 and 38,220. Okay. So which is greater? 38,220 is greater. Which number is there? 196. So which number we need to multiply it? So we need to multiply with 3 digits only. Because why we need to multiply with 3 digits? Because here 38,320 is there. So how we can do? 38,220 divided by 196. So how much it will come? 1 into 196, 196. 2 into 196 is how much it will come? 6 2s are 12. Balance 1. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 1? 19. 1. 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So whether it will come 2 will come? No. So 1 into 196, 196. 2, 12. 2, if we borrow 12. 12 minus 6, 6. 17 will come. 8. Correct? Now this one. 2. Next, which number it will come? We can do 9. 9 6 are 54. balance 5. 9 nines are 81. 81 plus 5, how much? 86. 8. So how much it will come? How much it will come? This one is, if you borrow this one, 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. 9 into 1, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. So minus this one, so how much it will come? 98. 0. Okay. Now next one is 5. 5 into 6, 30. Balance 3. 5 nines are 45. 45 plus 3, 48. Okay. 196 into 195 plus remainder is what? 8.
0.
Are you understood or not?
Yeah.
See here, if you multiply this one is coming. Okay. So, this one 980 minus 980 is 0. The target of Euclid's division algorithm is what? If it comes equal to 0, remainder comes equal to 0 means that would be the divisor. Okay. So, which would be the divisor? Can you please tell me? Which would be the divisor?
196.
Yeah, correct. So, the HCF of 196 and 38220 is 195. Okay. Have you got it? The next one, 867 and 255. So, since 867 is greater than 255, we apply division lemma algorithm for 867 and 255. So 867 equal to 255 into which number we need to put? I have to use 867 divided by 255. Which number? 1 multiplied by 255, 255. 2 multiplied by 255. Once again. 2 into 255, 510. 3 into 255, 765. So 3. 7 minus 5, 2. 6 minus 6, 0. 8 minus 7, 1. Now we are adding 0. So how much it will come? 1020 means whether 4 it will be possible? 4 into 225 is 4. 22. 22, 10. Correct? Huh?
Yeah.
4 into 5, 20. 20 into, so 0. Correct? 255 into 34 plus 0. Correct? So which one is the divisor in this?
34.
1 second. Sorry, this is not the correct thing. One not two alone, because we should, if you are adding 0 means decimal only it will come. So 3. Correct? Remaining is how much? 1 not 2. So now, which number we are going to do? Since remainder 1 not 2 is not equal to 0, so we apply division lemma algorithm for 255 and 102. Okay, 255 and 102. Okay, so 255 equal to how much? 102 into 2. Correct. So remaining how much it will come? 255 divided by 102. 204. Remaining is 51. Okay. Okay. Now remainder is what? 51. Since remainder 51 is not equal to 0, so we apply division lemma algorithm for 51 and 102. Okay. So which is the greatest number? 102 is greater than 51. So 102 equal to 51 into 2 plus 0. Now the remainder comes as 0. So what is there? The HCF of 867 and 255 is what? 51. Correct? Have you got it?
Yeah.
That's all about this thing.